Pedro Rodriguez.
Are you Mr. Rodriguez? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Pedro Rodriguez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 5005 for the offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household on January 9, 2023 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
The state will be proceeding on its motion for adjudication of guilt and location of supervision. Violation condition number 15 on or about the 29th day of July 2024 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Pedro Rodriguez, did then and there fail to apply for, provide documentation of attendance, and comply with all rules, regulations, instructions, and financial agreements as directed by the court and or supervision officer and or the head of or authorized personnel of the following program, anger management program, violation of condition number 15.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive all other violations, Your Honor.
Any
no
objection?
No objection.
You understand by pleading true to violation of condition 15, the court will find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 15? Is there proposed, the court will find violation of condition 15 true? Is that proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, is to revoke the defendant's probation on the case and sentence him to 115 days in the Bear County Jail. Give him credit for time served. Final money's run concurrently, and it will be affirmed.
That is the agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Has he done anything on probation?
He did quite a bit, I believe. He did pay some. He reported. He took a lot of urinalysis tests. Most of them were negative.
So why didn't you successfully complete this probation? You can raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Pedro Rodriguez.
All right. Why didn't you successfully complete probation? You're whispering.
Ran into problems.
Oh, what problems were those?
Well, Judge, he's currently been indicted on another charge out of this court. We wanted to kill this and move forward on that case.
All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court will grant the motion. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. The court will sentence you to 365 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. There's to be a $4,000 fine. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, the other case he has pending out of this court, has that been indicted?
It was indicted just in January, in December, late December.
All right, could somebody give me that file?
And Judge, regarding this, I believe state was recommending judgment sat.
No, I'm not doing a judgment satisfied. And I'm going to give you a date for your new case.
And Judge, regarding the new case, we would just ask that the state look into the discovery of CPS records.
Okay. We are going to do that, and I'm going to give him a date. That way you won't have to come back. And let me see what page he is on. All right, thank you. All right, so with regards to this case, and we're off the record. This is for the 2024 CR 012355. We were here in January for CPS records. What's the stance on the CPS records? Do you have them in your custody? Or I should say in your possession? All right, other than the CPS records, counsel, is there anything else?
Other than that, Judge, I think the CPS is going to the records will allow us to look and see about any other allegations that were made against any other innocent people that were charged.
All right, we're gonna call this back on March 31st.
Judge, I'm not gonna be here that day.
When will you be here?
Anytime in April, Judge.
All right, we'll recall this for April 1st for discovery, Ms. Ferguson. State, you need to be prepared to tender an offer. All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
That's in March.
April 1st.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
We need the court interpreter.
Oh, the interpreter's here.
Yes.
Okay. We'll have to go to the admin and get a proper one. All right, so on this case, counsel, I know we didn't have our setting last time because you were in a jury trial.
That's correct, Judge. I was in a jury trial. And so essentially, this is my first appearance here. Mr. Cervantes, we have received an offer from the state. And additionally, there's a bunch of discovery that I need to go through, including some child safe videos, I would imagine, more than one. So that's the reason we're gonna be asking for a reset today.
All right, and is there any CPS records in this case? All right, and then is your client a citizen?
Are you a citizen of the United States? It's a resident.
I'm a resident.
A resident.
All right, so do you need MAC for immigration purposes?
Probably do, Judge, yes.
Although with this charge, it's deportation, but okay. Ms. Ferguson, if you can make sure that MAC is on this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, then we'll recall this. What date, Ms. Ferguson? 30 days?
I can do April 3rd.
That'll work.
Is April 3rd a Wednesday?
Thursday.
Thursday? Okay. All right, we'll come back on April 3rd.
Do you have the link?
No, not at all.
All right, does he have any questions?
Gracias. No.
No.
All right, thank you.
And Judge, before he goes back real quick,
Toma asiento.
we're gonna do a jail video call. We'll have more privacy to talk about.
Ricardo Garcia.
Siéntate.
The state mentioned their witness was pregnant and a flu, and
Yes.
I think they filed, I know that they filed a motion. I received a copy of it, so we're back on that.
All right, court is calling 2021 CR 2011 State versus Javier Herrera. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Ashley Jones.
Defense?
Charles Blanc.
And are you Mr. Herrera?
Yes.
All right, this case was scheduled for jury trial, but the state wanted to present a motion for continuance. Defense, are you in receipt of the motion for continuance?
I have received said motion. Yes, Judge.
All right, and state?
Yes, Your Honor. When we were set for trial, we contacted our witness and she informed us that she is 38 weeks pregnant this week and is due at any moment. And so because of that, and additionally, our outcome witness has come down to the flu. Because of those two reasons, the state is requesting a continuance on this.
All right, defense?
Judge, we're ready for trial.
All right, this is the state's first motion for continuance?
It is, Your Honor, and just for a little bit more context, our complainant is, if she is not going to deliver, her induction date is March 12th.
All right. Then what I'm going to do, Ms. Ferguson, if you would set this for a jury trial sometime after that date, defense, if you'll confer
I will,
with the
Judge.
state and Ms. Ferguson and
Yes.
let me know what the jury trial date is.
Yes, Judge, I will.
Mr. Herrera, I'm granting the state's motion for continuance. This is their first motion for continuance. And it's a good reason.
Yes, sir.
All right. So do you understand
Yes, sir.
the court's ruling and
Yes, sir.
why? All right.
I'll try here.
So just give us a moment. They're gonna tell me what the date is.
Yes, sir.
And could you all make sure the court has the acknowledgement of discovery?
Yes,
Yes, Your
Judge.
Honor. Yeah. You have one? I know what I'll expect. We're not-
Do y'all want to set
May
it
13th is good. May 13th,
May 13th or June
5/13?
16th?
May 13th.
All right. Your jury trial will be scheduled for May 13th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.